People of Norwich, are you bored with the current state of local television? Tired of the same old faces, the same issues, the same sports, day in, day out? Our mission is to create a fresh new approach to local TV that the people of Norwich, that's you, actually want to watch. But we need your help. Are you a student, a teacher, a firefighter? Are you unemployed? Are your views and interests being covered? Would you like a mouthpiece for your concerns? How do you access your news and information? YouTube, Facebook, Twitter? Are these foreign words to you or a way of life? Our mission is to create a local TV service for Norwich. It needs to be fresh, up to date and relevant to you. So, we need your help. What should it look like? Where should it be seen? What should it cover? Who should be on it? Do you know of local talent that deserves a platform? Are you a singer, an artist, a filmmaker? Do you have material that needs to be seen? We're looking for your contributions, your ideas, your feedback. Get involved now at thisislocal.tv. This is your chance to have a say about what's on the box. Come and make it happen.